All right, so we are, open any browser. We are in Chrome, and go to Google and just type in how to sign up for Adidas affiliate program. And the first, you're gonna see videos here, you know, very long-winded. Like this is just for sign up, right? But click on the first option you have, which is from Adidas itself, Adidas.com. What is our affiliate program? Just click on that and you're going to be brought to this page. What is our affiliate program? At Adidas, we have the power to change lives through. So this is pretty much just their like rundown of the affiliate program. Now, to sign up for the affiliate program, you need to click on the apply now. There's a small button here, apply now, and it takes a bit to load for some reason. It's not optimized, I think. Oh, there you go. It's faster than before. So as you can see here, join Adidas Partner Program powered by Impact. So we have partner to Impact. Affiliate marketing is simple. Place tracking links on your site or social to promote Adidas products or services and earn commissions for each sale you send. Commission rates vary based on publisher type. So if you have an account, Adidas account, just log in before you could, So what you want is your full name, email. It's pretty straightforward. Your username, your password, and then your password again. And then company information. So account display name, company website, if you have a website, or if you're a freelancer or a content creator or a influencer, maybe you just need to put your website or your social media, where you're from, your address, your zip code, your phone number. And as you can see, you can do this from anywhere around the world. Your currency, your time zone, and then promotional information. So business model, property type, whether you have a website or mobile or social networks. So if you're an influencer, of course, you're going to do this. And you're going to see, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, what do you call this? I forgot, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and so on and so forth. LinkedIn, there you go. And then agreements, so payout details, list of SKU. So you can see everything you need to understand here, right? And then you can also download the program terms here. And then after you finish, just click on sign up and you will be sorted out in no time. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.